You've got your 12-word seed phrase. Your OKX wallet says you have USDT, but you can't figure out how to transfer it to Binance. Sound familiar? If you've searched YouTube and still haven't found a real, secure way to do it, this is the video you've been waiting for. Today I'll show you how to recover your wallet using 12 words, access your USDT, and send it safely to Binance. No scams, no shady apps, just real, verified steps. Explained for beginners and trusted by pros understanding the 12-word seed phraselets. Start with what a 12-word phrase actually is. It's not a password. It's not a PIN. It's your entire crypto wallet, compressed into just 12 words. When you create a wallet in OKX or MetaMask, it generates a seed phrase. That phrase can be used to recover your wallet in any compatible wallet app. Important facts. The 12 words follow the BIP39 standard, used globally. You can recover that wallet in Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Exodus, and more. Anyone who sees your 12 words can steal your funds. So guard them like gold, securely restoring your wallet from 12WRDS. Now, let's recover your wallet step by step. Without compromising step-by-step guide. Go to a secure private device, not public Wi-Fi or shared phone. Install a trusted non-custodial wallet. Trust Wallet, mobile, MetaMask, mobile or desktop. Exodus Wallet, desktop or mobile. Tap Import Wallet or Restore Wallet. Enter your 12-word phrase privately. Check spelling carefully. Security tip. Do not take a screenshot or save your seed words in cloud storage. Once done, your USDT should appear in the wallet, assuming you select the correct blockchain network. Sending USDT to Binance. Network fees now that you've restored your wallet and see your USDT. Let's send it to Binance. Step 1. Confirm network. Open wallet. Tap on USDT. Check what network it's on. TRC20, Tron, ERC20, Ethereum, BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. If you're unsure, go to OKX transaction history or check the token info in your restored wallet. Step 2. Get Binance deposit address. Open your Binance app, go to Wallet Deposit. Select USDT, then choose the same network, TRC20, ERC20, etc. Copy the deposit address. Step 3. Transfer USDT. Go back to your wallet, tap Send, paste Binance address, enter amount. Double check the network and hit send. Pro tip. Always test with $5 USDT first before sending the full amount. Real-world security mistakes to avoid. Let's talk security, because this is where people lose thousands. Mistake 1. Storing your 12 words in screenshots, WhatsApp, or Google Drive. Mistake 2. Entering your seed phrase on shady websites pretending to be OKX or Binance. Mistake 3. Sharing your 12 words in public, comments, forums, etc. If you've done this, assume your wallet is compromised and transfer immediately. Final tips for secure crypto management. Your crypto is only as secure as your behavior. So here are 3 expert tips to protect your digital assets. Tip 1. Use hardware wallets, Ledger, Trezor, for long-term storage. Tip 2. Write your seed phrase on paper and store it offline. Tip 3. Don't trust DMs or support accounts. Scammers impersonate exchanges daily. Now you know how to recover a crypto wallet using 12 words and securely transfer USDT to Binance. No shady shortcuts. No guesswork. Just the real process. Made for both beginners and pros. If this helped you, please like the video and drop a comment. And if you know someone stuck with their crypto in OKX or Trust Wallet, share this video to help them out. Subscribe for more real, secure crypto guides. No hype, just verified knowledge.